Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking for sensitivity. Patch test one small area 24 hours earlier. Once clear, remove makeup and gather the Biotique kit components and a clean towel. Wet your face with lukewarm water, about 35-40 degrees, to gently open pores. This helps the cleanser penetrate. Apply a coin-sized cleanser and massage in circular motions for 45-60 seconds to lift oil and surface dirt. Make sure to rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat dry, so the next step will be you now exfoliate. Scoop a small amount of the Biotique scrub and work it in gentle circles for 1-2 minutes. Avoid the eye area to prevent irritation. Once done, steam your face for 5-7 minutes or hold a warm towel over your face to loosen blackheads and impurities. Apply the mask in an even layer, covering forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Make sure to follow the product time, typically 12-15 minutes, so active botanicals can penetrate without over-drying your skin. Once the mask time is up, rinse it off with cool water to close pores and pat your skin dry. Apply the Biotique serum or toner to restore pH balance, then follow with a moisturizer using upward strokes to lock hydration. If it's daytime, make sure to finish with SPF. If you experience stinging, redness, or swelling, stop immediately. Rinse with cool water, apply a cold compress, and avoid active ingredients until a patch test confirms tolerance. Consult a professional if severe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.